Have you ever heard a nurse say, "We've gotten Rosc," and you're like, what the heck is Rosc? Rosc is a term that stands for return of spontaneous circulation, and it is a term that we use a lot when someone has had a cardiac arrest and we've been doing CPR and life-sustaining measures, and they no longer have a pulse, but then they have Rosc, which is where their pulse returns. This here says that signs of Rosc include breathing, coughing, movement, palpable pulse, or measurable blood pressure. I will say that we define Rosc typically in the hospital setting as return of a pulse, meaning that we can palpate a carotid pulse or a femoral pulse, or if the patient has an arterial line, we start to see a blood pressure. This means that we are no longer doing CPR, and we are now just medically supporting and trying to help that patient as best as we can. Sometimes Rosc can last for a couple seconds. Sometimes Rosc can last for a long time. And this is where we are now looking at our H's and T's. We're trying to figure out what caused this patient to have a cardiac arrest and what can we do to prevent it from happening again. It is not uncommon for a patient that is that sick to have Rosc, and then we no longer have Rosc. And then we get Rosc, and then we no longer have Rosc. And then we get Rosc again, and repeat, repeat, repeat. And that's Rosc. Let me know if you have any questions.